Hello and welcome. My name is Richard. I'm our CEO, and today we're going to be going over how to set up lead forms in meta advertising. So, as you can imagine, Facebook has become a great option for businesses and even businesses to consumers, businesses to businesses to generate leads. I'm going to show you a real world example of a client of mine right now that we've set up and been nurturing for the last 6 to 12 months. And we're generating a significant quantity of leads for their business right now. Needless to say, it's pretty slick. So first things first is we generally set up an audience. I think it's important that everybody gets a chance to see like all the advanced steps that go into this and how they kind of all work together. So in this example, we are segmenting consumers from dealers. And then once they interact with our form, or they fill it out and become a lead, we know who they are. So we're able to do some of that segmenting. So let's go into that. You can see here's our actual lead form that they're going to fill out. We're using a rich creative form in this example, which allows people to read a little bit more information about your product and then answer a quick question. Usually a yes or no is what we recommend. Needless to say, they go through a little bit more questionings if you want to vet them out more. A lot of times we only use one or two. In this example, the client wanted a few questions to make sure they were legitimate. In this case, that was the dealer. So more B2B, we want to vet them out more. And then you can also see if it was more of a consumer basis, we're more so just asking 1, 2, 3 questions, and then we're moving on. So you can see, again, everything you need to structure that deal and or land that customer, we're going to be vetting and asking up front. And that's what makes this so incredibly valuable to so many businesses, is you have no other way of getting some of these leads without this kind of setup. So anyways, we've got the audiences that interact with the actual form types. The form types then set up a trigger so they actually get entered into the CRM for the sales team. And the sales team is able to do their follow-ups. So the process flow is very dialed for the customer. And then ultimately, here's the actual Facebook ad that's running that form. And you can see it is hooked up to their CRM. So if you don't have a CRM, Meta provides you with a CRM. And then you're able to track all of your leads, all of their information, and then even pass back data such as their status. Are they qualified? Are they converted? Are they lost? Are they not qualified? And the more information you provide back, the better off you're going to be. So if you're interested, I'd love to work with you on generating more leads for your business. As you can see, what I do is very custom, and that's why I offer more of a full service approach. So if you're interested in lead generation, we can set up a full custom funnel for your business and customize it like we just did for these. Anyways, thanks for watching.